Hello everyone, welcome. So we are doing NCERT class 7 exercise 1.1. So as question 2 you have seen, in a quiz positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Okay, so this was the question. 25 plus next marks is -5 plus next marks is -10 plus next marks is 15 plus next marks is 10. So in this case what we are supposed to do, equal to, we will put all the positive numbers one side and all the negative numbers on the other side. I'll group all the positive numbers, 25 plus 15 plus 10 and minus, I'm removing the brackets at the same time, plus minus is minus, I'm writing it down. So what is 25 plus 15 plus 10? 25 plus 15 is 40 plus 10 is 50 minus 50. So how much is it? 35. So therefore the total marks is equal to 35. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Question number 1 I have already discussed in my previous video. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday. Then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by -4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So it was said that temperature on Monday, it said that temperature on Monday is -5 degrees Celsius, right? -5 degrees Celsius. And it dropped on Tuesday by 2 degrees Celsius. So it dropped means it reduced, the temperature got reduced by 2 degrees Celsius. So -5 minus 2 is -7 degrees Celsius. Then on Wednesday what happened? The temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose is given as plus. So this is -3 degrees Celsius. So the temperature on Tuesday was -7 degrees Celsius and temperature on Wednesday was -3 degrees Celsius. Next, coming to question number 4. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1,200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So what we should do? One is above, one is below. So we will find the total distance. Okay. Alright. So we saw the question. So here we have the sea level. So we have the sea level over here, and here it is the flight is above for 5,000 meters and submarine below 1,200 meters. What we need to do is we need to find this total distance. Okay, this total distance. So I can always write distance above sea level is equal to 5,000 meters and distance below sea level is equal to 1,200 meter. Therefore total distance is how much? Total distance is equal to how much? 5,000 meters plus 1,200 meters. So that is equal to 6,200 meters. So that is the answer. Okay. Coming to the next question, question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws 1642 from it the next day. If the withdrawal of the amount is taken as of the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount which is deposited? Obviously positive, because they are opposite to each other. And find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Okay. So here I have written down. So deposit is rupees 2000, withdrawal is 1642. Now if withdrawal is represented by negative, then the deposit will be represented as positive. Okay. The deposit is represented as positive. So what is the balance here? So deposit is 2000 and the withdrawal is nothing but minus 1642. So what is the answer here? 8, 5, 3. So the final amount is rupees 358. Next, coming to question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards the east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards the east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance travelled in the west? Also, we need to find by which integer will you represent her final position from A. So, it's a very similar question to that of the question 5. Let us solve it now. Okay. So, I have drawn it here, A and B. So, it's traveling 20 km towards the east and then 30 km towards the west. So, if towards east, if I say the distance which is traveling is negative, then towards west, how will you represent? I will represent it as positive value. Now, what is the final position from A? So, it is minus 20 plus 30. So, it is equal to 10 kilometer. So, this means 10 kilometers towards the west of A. So, when I say positive value, this positive value represents 10 kilometer towards the west. Okay. Thank you.